sure and like and subscribe. Somebody didn't necessarily ask for an ALT video, but asked if they were going to get one, so I guess so. I saved y'all the time of watching me clean the carburetor. Y'all have seen that. This thing's been sitting for a while. I got a little time today while I'm waiting on some customers. I might as well go ahead and do your trail buddy video. It says on here 77 pounds max weight limit. There's your idea how big it is, boys. The dog's eclipsing it. Gotcha. It is a drag strip, boy. It's pretty cool, huh? Dude, burnout, that's just down here pit biking at Pate, boys.
Yeah. He's taking off. Go ahead. Hey, in front of me. How else am I gonna see you, boy?
Smells like that old groovy grape. Smells like grape bubble gum in here, guys. Let's see if she'll carry me around or not. I ain't ridden this thing in a while. Oh yeah, well. I'll take it for a ride here in a little while, get y'all some GoPro footage. So to get down here in the picture with it, there's not a lot of room. Like, this is it right here. 83 Churl Buddy. You guys see something in these videos and it catches your eye and maybe you want to take a look at it, let me know. I got a few of these little trail buddies and this is my rider, man. I'm pretty rough on this little guy. I've ridden some wheelies on it. It's made a lot of people, it's hurt a lot of feelings. Let's just say that. This Suzuki has hurt a lot of people's feelings. And my favorite thing to do when somebody tries to buy it is just laugh in their face. I don't care, they could offer me $2,000 for it. I just laugh in their face, big time them. You know what I mean? Big league them a little bit and make them feel stupid for even asking about it. And then I just ride it around like a clown. So you guys be sure and like and subscribe. Share this video. I'm going to have a mini bike update coming for you guys tomorrow or the next day, and also that trike update. And look at that little trail buddy. Look at that little Suzuki. That's some badass shit, man. So I didn't have nothing to do. Well, there's your better look at it. She ain't super big. You know, she's a little guy. So we're gonna do a 250R video where Blake rides this and nobody gives him shit about looking like a kid. And we're gonna let it rip, man. Like, I'm gonna get you an update on this right here. And I got you a KD80X video coming. That's coming up hot. I just haven't edited it. I've ridden it already. I've already taken the video, so. But I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you for subscribing if you have, and share some videos and get in on that mini bike giveaway, and don't get sick. And they're gonna try and change more shit on you now, so be ready for that. They're about to switch it up on you again, so just don't switch up on yourself, and I think you'll be all right.